So there is one most commonly asked question by most of the ACCA candidate, that is regarding PER, which is also known as practical experience requirement in ACCA. तो PER क्या है? Just like हमारे CA प्रोफेशन की तरह ACCA प्रोफेशन में भी we have to record our practical experience only and only then we can name ourselves as an ACCA member. So ACCA member बनने के लिए we all know that we need to complete all the 13 exam, maybe by direct entry or by the way of exemption. But we need to finish up all the 13 exams. After that, the another requirement is EPSA module, which is a module based upon the like certain question, which is online module, and the current cost is around 70 pounds. After that, the third major requirement is the recording of PER, which is the practical experience requirement that will show that you have worked in a specific industry under a specified person for set of 36 months. And only after then you can call yourself as an ACCA member, and only then you can add ACCA along with your name. So this is very important. But even after qualifying ACCA, student have the same issue that ma'am we don't know PER करना कैसे है, उसमें क्या क्या चीजें कवर होंगी, कौन उसको साइन कर सकता है, and every day I receive minimum 4 to 5 messages regarding this area. So I thought to come upfront and guide you guys regarding this PER requirement. So first of all, your first question, what is PER for those who are new to ACCA and who don't know anything about it? So PER is a mandatory requirement component of ACCA to become fully qualified ACCA member. इसके बिना आप ACCA member जो है नहीं बन सकते हैं. Now, under this, candidates need to demonstrate their applied skill in the real work environment, and they have to meet certain performance objective. That means they have to show कि yes, during our ACCA journey, after your ACCA journey, or maybe before your ACCA journey, you have worked under desired industry for set of good 36 months. Now, how to complete this PER? Next question. So, see, ACCA student need to complete this 3 years of relevant work experience in finance accounting role. That could be, gained under auditing, consultancy, maybe finance industry. So, all the industries which are or like CA related industry, we demonstrate that हम CA firm में जो जो काम करते हैं, हम accounting का काम करते हैं, हम auditing का काम करते हैं, हम taxation काम करते हैं, consultancy काम करते हैं, finance का काम करते हैं. So all these fields are covered under the experience requirement of PER. Now, what are the factors which we will be covering in our PER requirement? See, there are 5 essential and 4 technical performance objective which you have to achieve and which you have to fill in the PER requirement form. So वहां पर choice होगी like 5 तो compulsory है, essential है, that everyone have to fulfill that. Rest, out of the rest areas, you have to choose any 4 areas, and total 9 areas need to be submitted to get the PER requirement fulfilled. Now, like the next area, that what is the right time to start this PER requirement? See, you can gain this experience of PER even when you are studying, or maybe you have completed your qualification. The sooner you will start, the better you will get the more job opportunity. See, if I say you, when I have started this, frankly speaking, I haven't done separately for this. I recorded my CA articleship experience because that was more easy for me कि मैं एक ही employer के अंदर काम जो है दिखा दूँ. But apart from that, I have options which I could show as my PER requirement, but I chose a easy option for me. Now, as I have already mentioned that I completed my PER and I recorded my PER of my articleship experience. मैंने अपना articleship experience ही PER में show किया. So इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, तो कौन कौन जो है पीईआर को साइन ऑफ कर सकता है? हु कैन साइन ऑफ दिस पीईआर रिक्वायरमेंट? So basically, a qualified supervisor need to sign off your PER. So that person can be an ECC member just like me, or a member of any recognized professional accountancy body, be it BCPA, ICAW, CA body. So any person from these professional bodies can sign your PER requirement. Basically, that person should be IFAC qualified person. Now, again, your line manager can also sign the PER requirement if they hold such qualification. And under this PER requirement, supervisor will review your work and he will ensure that you are meeting these performance objective which you are mentioning it. Now, as per my memory, what was the exact process, that whatever experience I have mentioned in the PER requirement, वहां पर आप इस MySCA में login करेंगे and you will get the option on the main screen to record your PER. After filling your basic details, you will get the option to fill the details about your supervisor, maybe your chartered accountant, maybe that could be an ACCA member. You will be filling the details of that specific person, and he will get email after you fill the details of that specific person. And उस मेल के आने के बाद अगर वो ACCA body का member है, then definitely he'll be having his my own my ACCA account. But if he is not part of ACCA body, then he will have to create his own my ACCA account, but that is totally free of cost. They don't have to pay anything extra for creating their my ACCA account as supervisor. Then after that, your both accounts will be linked. आपका account उनके account से link हो जाएगा. Every time you will be mentioning that I have completed this objective, that person will get mail. He will review that actually you have worked under him on the desired time period and at that relevant role. तो वो चेक करेंगे, then उसके बाद he will give the confirmation and you will see on your account that will be marked as confirmed. And ऐसे ही करके you have to complete all the 9 steps. Now the next is work profile covered under the PER, because again most of the students have the need to know the desired roles, because in India we have multiple roles, and it's not about India. The finance profession is growing day by day. So see, you can work in any relevant role that provide you exposure to finance and accounting functions. That role could be financial analyst, that could be auditor, tax advisor, management accountant, financial controller, etc. And that could be in industry like banking, insurance, manufacturing. It's not limited to big four firm. Most of the students want to enter into big four firm just because they have myth in their mind that they can get their PER experience only in big four just because of ACC is a global body. See, no, it's not compulsory. I have mentioned you even in while working under a smaller normal small size CA firm, you can get your PER done. So apart from that, you can work under corporates or even small companies. Now, the next most important question, because I have mentioned many time कि मैंने अपना PER जो है एक CA firm के अंडर जो है complete किया था, and that too before my ACCA journey मेरी articleship जो है हो चुकी थी, मैंने वही वाला ही experience show किया. So your PER can be before, can be during your ACCA journey, can be after completing your all the 13 papers. Now the next question area is do you need to work under one employer? Most of the time student have this concern that ma'am मुझे एक employer के अंदर ही काम करना है, या फिर I can change jobs because sometime it happen that within 1 year or 1.5 years you get better work opportunity. तो मैम क्या हम work switch कर सकते हैं? Yes, it is fine. It's totally fine. It's not compulsory to complete PER under one employer for good 3 years. You can accumulate your experience across different employers and roles. And as long as they are relevant to meet your performance objective, that is totally fine. सो इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी टू मूव अहेड, और इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी कि आप जो है अपना ये रोल सिर्फ एक ही पर्सन के अंडर कर सकते हैं, और आप like you have to be stick around just one employer. That's totally fine. If you get better opportunities somewhere else, you can definitely move to another job opportunity. Now, next question area: can ACC member outside Big Four sign of the PER? Because it is one of the most favorite question of most of the people. So yes, the answer is again yes. ACC members working in other organization, even in small or mid-sized firm, can sign up the PER as long as they have the relevant experience and qualification. Your answer is yes. Now, next, how to record and submit the PER requirement. So see, candidates must record their work experience in ACC account, their My Experience account, and they need to regularly update their objective and get them signed off by their supervisor if they are not working continuously. Agar like in one organization they are just working under one role, and again after 1 year maybe they are switching to another role or another organization, तो उसको regularly update करते रहो and supervisor से sign कराते जाओ आप. Now, the next most important thing: what is the benefit of completing the PER? You know that completing the PER is a demonstration of your professional accounting skill. आपने क्या काम किया है आप दिखा रहे हैं अपने PER से ही. So it prepare you for the real time responsibilities and help you develop you the competences of leadership skills, like ethical decision making in the financial management. It makes you a better person. इससे पता चलता है that yes, you have learned in your working experience, and with that learning you are a grown up, and you can make decision for your client as well. And yes, for getting ACC membership it is very compulsory to sign off your PER, and I recommend everyone just not to stick at the affiliation certificate. 3 years का experience लीजिए, membership कीजिए, and membership लेने के बहुत ज्यादा benefit है, but I have seen in my own professional journey as well. You will see increase in your professional development. You will see increase in your income as well. I guess you can see in first year only with the income increase of 1.5 to 2 times. Yes, definitely you can see that level of income rise after getting ACCA membership. And the most important advantage, see, आपने ACCA complete की है तो like just affiliation रह के आप अपने नेम के साथ ACCA नहीं लगा सकते हैं. That is out of ACCA code of conduct. आपके प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स के बाहर है, एंड दैट इज अ सीरियस ऑफेंस बाय ACCA बॉडी. लाइक उनकी बॉडी के अकॉर्डिंगली एक बहुत बड़ा ऑफेंस है अगर आप अपने नेम के साथ ACCA लगाते हैं, इवन इफ यू आर ACCA affiliate. So to add ACCA along with your name, it is necessary to hold ACCA membership certification. And if you are studying hard for this qualification, why not to add ACCA along with your name? So I would recommend just don't limit yourself to affiliation certificate. Grow and get your membership certificate as soon as possible. And the last but not the least, I remember one more question, because see, I'm in the teaching industry now. So most of the student ask me, ma'am, can you sign the PER, और क्या हम आपके अंडर काम कर सकते हैं, या फिर टीचिंग इंडस्ट्री का एक्सपीरियंस शो हो सकता है? Yes, you can show the teaching industry's experience, but for maximum 1 year. Even if you have worked for more than 1 year under teaching industry, being an ACC affiliate or ACC faculty also, स्टिल आप सिर्फ मैक्सिमम जो है 1 साल का ही एक्सपीरियंस PER में दिखा सकते हैं. रेस्ट आपको इंडस्ट्री एक्सपोजर चाहिए अपनी PER रिक्वायरमेंट का 36 मंथ्स का क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल करने के लिए. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, if you are not completing this PER requirement and EPSM module even after qualifying ACCA, 3 साल बीत गए हैं, सो आफ्टर 3 years आपका जो एनुअल सब्सक्रिप्शन, एनुअल फीस जो जाता है ACCA का एफिलिएशन वाला, वो अपने आप ही आपका फीस जो है मेंबरशिप फीस वाले चार्जेस पे जाना शुरू हो जाएगा. सो इट्स बेटर टू कंप्लीट योर PER एंड EPSM मॉड्यूल by maximum 3 years. Within the maximum 3 years time आपको complete करना है after attaining the affiliation certificate. Otherwise, you will be paying the same fees just like members. And just to let you know, members have advantage of reduced membership fees as well, which is not available to affiliates. So for more information regarding ACCA, PER, its job opportunities, kindly do connect me. Thank you.